Hey everybody, this is Mr. Key with NOS 130. I just wanted to go through and show you guys setting up our HyperV servers. I want to show you guys what you need to do first thing when you log in. Alright, I'm going to go to Server Manager. It's taking a minute. I've got a bunch of these running at the same time. So, installing the virtual machine there. That's installing. Alright. Alright, so go under search, type in server. I'm going to do Server Manager. Alright. Go ahead and go up to Tools, HyperV Manager. Alright, so we were at the screen last time. Alright, and looks like we're not connected to our server, which we're not. Click on Connect to Server, Local Computer, and then we'll get an error message. Alright, reason we're getting this is I cloned all you guys' machines from my clone, and I left in the server name. So if we close out of that, close out of Server Manager, go back and actually you're going to change the name of your server to, click on change, your initials, PKA or PCA, SRV 2016, HV_1. Alright, it's going to give you an error message. It's a little too long, that's fine. Click OK. Let it do its thing. Alright, you must restart your computer. Restart now. Let's let it restart. It should do it pretty fast. Check on my other machines. That machine's up. This machine's up. This machine's up. That's getting close. And we're installing Windows XP because it's about half of a gigabyte. So it's a lot smaller than Windows 7 or Windows 10. Alright, still restarting. We'll just wait for a second. Alright, so we're still restarting. Alright, it's up. Let me click Control Delete. Go ahead and log in with administrator password. I'll go ahead and check on my. Alright, this is still installing Windows XP. I think this one is installing. Alright. Alright, so we're up, ready to log in. Alright, let's wait for it to log in for a sec. Saying 39 minutes left for this installation. Alright. One thing, this would be installing a lot faster, but I'm restricting the amount of RAM I allocate to this virtual machine just because in real life you'd want to do that. You wouldn't want to give it 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I think it has right at 1 gigabyte. Alright, but I'll show you guys that too. Since we're all sharing this connection, I'm going to keep it a little bit reduced. Alright, so it's up, and let's go back into Server Manager. And you guys see this name right here? That's the name I've given your virtual machine on the ESX server, but just remember that's not your actual computer name. Your computer name inside your virtual machine is right here. If it it comes up. Okay, so I'm in Server Manager, clicked on HyperV Manager. I'm letting that load. I'm just going to check on my other stuff. Alright, that's installing. That's starting to install. Alright. So now, change the name. You should have HyperV Manager. Underneath that should be your actual computer name. Alright, so I'm going to go click New Virtual Machine. Alright, you guys can read through this the first time you go through the wizard, but click Next. Alright, your virtual machine name is going to be your initials. So like under lowercase PCA SRV 2016. This would be XP1. Okay. Leave the defaults. It's going to be a generation 1 virtual machine, so leave that. Startup memory 1024 megabytes. All right, leave that as the default. All right. We want to have a connection to the network, so we need to click the down arrow, click the Intel 82574L gigabit network connection, virtual switch. Click Next. This is where it's creating a virtual hard disk. Remember the VHD reference, virtual hard disk. All right, it's creating that file. All right, here's our location. It's going to make it 127 gigabytes, which I'm going to make that probably 50. All right, make it 50 gigabytes. All right, click Next. All right, now click the second radio button down. Install the operating system from a bootable CD, DVD-ROM. All right, we're on D, is where our ISO image is located. Click Finish. It's going to start installing Windows XP. Now see, I'm doing this for multiple machines at once, so that one's installing. We can do this one now. That one's running. Let's do this one. Alright, that one's still installing. Alright, gotta click continue on that. With the let's check back here. Okay, now we've set up that virtual machine. What we have to do now is actually connect to it. We get a pop-up window. And doing all these together takes a little bit. That's fine. it's installing. That's good. Let's go into here. Alright, so there's our pop-up window. I know I'm skipping back and forth through all these machines. Alright, virtual machine is turned off. We have to click the start button. Alright, let it go ahead and start up. Just like checking on all my stuff. Let's see. And I want to on purpose name your virtual machines incorrectly so you guys can go through there and change them. Alright. Make sure that's connected. Alright, make sure that's right. I want to make this a 50 gigabyte. Alright, D. Finish. Alright, that's going. Alright, so that's going. That's going. Let's do this one. Alright. Let that come up. Alright. Like this, MCA. Next D1. Click next. Make this 50. Alright, make sure you have D selected. And D is actually, that's pointing to our data store location with all the ISO images in it. So we don't physically have a D drive, CD player or DVD player. Alright, let that start. Alright, check on that. Check on this. Alright, so this is back to where we were. Let's try to make that a smidge bigger. If I can grab it. A lot of processing going on right now on this server, so let's get our money's worth. Alright. So, click inside that window, hit enter. F8 to agree to the licensing agreement. Only thing we have now is about a 50 gigabyte unallocated hard drive. So click enter for install. Alright, format, do quick installation, format the partition using the NTFS file system quick, hit enter. Alright, then it starts installing. Alright, it'll sit there for a good while. Alright, that's doing good. Let's put this one online. Repetition's good to just learn how all this flows. Alright. This one on. That one's going. This one, let me do Control Delete. Alright, so most everybody's going to have a Windows XP already installed, but I'm going to, just for the sake of time and for class, I'm going to get a lot of these going. Alright, so that one's up. Powered on. Alright. Alright, this one's getting close. It's asking for some setup information. That one's going. This one going. That one's already going. This one's coming up. Alright. So I'm going to pause the video right now. I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when I get closer to the setup procedures. Okay, went ahead and logged in with the product key for the Windows XP machine. Let me get back in here real quick. Alright, I'm going to name it. I'm going to make the password standard password that I've used in class. Alright, then keep on waiting until that installs fully. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this video while everything installs, but pretty much at the end of this installation, you should have a Windows XP machine installed on your HyperV server 2016. Alright, I'm going to make another video about the test for tomorrow morning. So if you guys watch that video, it should tell you a lot about the test. Thanks for watching.